Good morning, dear students. Now we will study about the great revolutionary leader of the Russia, Vladimir Lenin. In April 1917, the Bolshevik leader Vladimir Lenin returned to the Russia from his exile. He and the Bolshevik had opposed the war since 1914. Now he felt it was time for the Soviet to take over power. He declared that the war be brought to a close, land be transferred to the peasant, and the bank be nationalized. These three demands were Lenin's April thesis. तो लेनिन जी ने 3 डिमांड रखी. फर्स्ट सोशलिस्ट गवर्नमेंट, then banks nationalization and land to be transferred to the peasants. He also argued that the Bolshevik party rename itself Communist Party to indicate its new radical aims. Most others in the Bolshevik party were initially surprised by the April thesis. They thought that the time was not yet ripe for it. Now the revolution of October 1917, the most important remarkable event in the history of Russia. On 16th of October 1917, Lenin persuaded the Petrograd. आपको याद है पेट्रोग्रेड में ड्यूमा था, पेट्रोग्रेड में ही अभी पिछला रिवोल्यूशन हुआ था, वही पेट्रोग्रेड, सोवियत and the Bolshevik party to agree to a socialist seizure of power. A military revolutionary committee was appointed by the Soviet Union Leon Trotsky to organize the seizure. The date of the event was kept a secret. मतलब धीरे धीरे सारी चीज़ें सेक्रेट रूप से चलती चली जा रही थी कि इस दिन ये सारा काम होगा. The uprising began on 24 of the October. Sensing trouble, the Prime Minister Kerensky had left the city to summon troops. प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब भाग लिए कहीं. At dawn, भोर में, military men loyal to the government seized the building of 2 Bolshevik newspapers. Pro-government troops were sent to take over the telephone and telegraph offices and protect the Winter Palace. In a swift response, the Military Revolutionary Committee ordered its supporters to seize the government offices and arrest ministers. So, military was totally under the Bolshevik party's remarks. They were following them and they were working against the present government. Late in the day, the ship Aurora sailed the Winter Palace. Other vessels sailed down the Neva and took over various military points. By nightfall, the city was under the committee's control and the minister had surrendered. So आप देख रहे हैं किस तरह से डाउनफॉल हो रहा है. At a meeting of all Russian Congress of Soviet in Petrograd, the majority approved the Bolshevik action. Now the people came in favor of Bolshevik party's action. Uprising took place in other cities. There was heavy fighting, especially in Moscow. But by the December, Bolshevik controlled the Moscow-Petrograd area. What changed after October? अक्टूबर रिवोल्यूशन के बाद क्या चेंज आया जब मिलिट्री ने सारा चीज़ अपने हाथ में ले लिया. The Bolsheviks were totally opposed to the private property. Most industry and banks were nationalized in November 1917. These 2 demands were made by the Lenin and this has been completed. This means that the government took over the ownership and management and land was declared as social property and peasants were allowed to seize the land of nobility. Now the land was given to the peasant. In cities, Bolshevik enforced the partition of the large house according to the family requirement. They banned the use of old titles of aristocracy. Now aristocracy was no more in fashion. To assert the change, new uniforms were designed for the army and official. Okay, these all were the main changes after the revolution of the October in Russia made by Vladimir Lenin. These are 4 main changes. Then Bolshevik party was renamed Russian Communist Party. In November 1917, just 1 महीने बाद revolution के, the Bolshevik conducted the election of Constituent Assembly, but they failed to get the majority. In January 1918, the Assembly rejected Bolshevik measures and Lenin dismissed the Assembly. He thought the all Russian Congress of Soviet was more democratic than an assembly elected in uncertain condition. In March 1918, despite opposition by other political allies, the Bolshevik made peace with Germany at Brest-Litovsk. In the years that followed, the Bolsheviks became the only party to participate in the election to the All Russia Congress of Soviet, which became the parliament of the country. लास्ट में बोल्शेविक ही अकेले इलेक्शन में खड़े हुए, उन्हीं की पार्टी थी, उन्हीं को जितना था और वो पार्लियामेंट में पहुंच गए. रसिया बिकेम अ पार्टी स्टेट. नाउ यू कैन सी देयर वाज ओनली वन पार्टी सिस्टम इन रसिया. द बोल्शेविक पार्टी बिकेम वन ऑफ द biggest party and suppressed others voice, and at last it became a single party nation. Trade unions were kept under party control. The secret police called Cheka first, later OGPU and NKVD punished those who criticized the Bolshevik. अब जो भी बातें थी भाई बोल्शेविक पार्टी चलती थी. आपको रहना है तो भी बोल्शेविक पार्टी की बात को हाँ कहना है, नहीं मानना है तो भी हाँ कहना है. बोल्शेविक के अलावा कोई दूसरा रास्ता नहीं है. वही पार्टी आपको राज करेगी. जो उसके खिलाफ बोलते थे उनकी पिटाई हो जाती थी. मेनी यंग राइटर एंड आर्टिस्ट रैलीड टू द पार्टी बिकॉज इट स्टूड फॉर सोशलिज्म एंड फॉर चेंज. एज पीपल थॉट दैट द पार्टी इज मेकिंग ए चेंज इन द सोसाइटी एंड इन द नेशन. It is a party led by the socialist idea, socialism. So many of the young writer and other members participated and they appreciated it. After the October 1917, this led to the experiment in the art and architecture, but many became disillusioned because of the censorship of the party increased. Now the war, civil war in Russia. आपको मालूम है कोई भी चीज़ ज़्यादा दिन तक टिकती नहीं है. ज़्यादा अति होती है तो लोग फिर चेंज करने लगते हैं. Civil war in Russia. Not everyone was happy with the new communist government and allies wanted Russia back in the war. ओके अब धीरे धीरे लोगों का सोशलिज्म से इंटरेस्ट ख़त्म होने लगा. सारे लोग तो नहीं चाहते थे कि सोशलिस्ट पार्टी ये रसिया की रहे, कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी. कुछ लोगों का विचार अलग था और वो चाहते थे कि रसिया फिर से लड़ाई लड़े. The Bolshevik Red Army fought anti-Bolshevik forces known as the White Army. White Army defeated. तो जो भी उनके खिलाफ खड़ा होता था बोल्शेविक पार्टी के खिलाफ, भाई उनके लिए वो लड़ाई लड़ते थे. रेड आर्मी a disciplined unit while White Army was disorganized and not unified, wanted different ends. Red secret police, the Red Terror known as Cheka, stopped any opposition. War communism nationalized bank and industries, grain from peasant and state centralization. Against the foreign invader of Japanese, French, British and American who were stationed in Russia appealed to Russian patriotism. तो जो वहाँ की रनिंग पार्टी थी, वहाँ के आर्मी थे, उन्होंने बाकी लोगों की आवाज़ दबाया. प्लस पेट्रोटिज़म के नाम पे, दूसरे देशों की लड़ाई के नाम पे उन्होंने लोगों से राष्ट्रीयता और देशभक्ति की भावना का आह्वान किया कि लोग हमारे साथ जुड़ जाएं. जार एंड हिज फैमिली मर्डर्ड एंड बर्न डाउन इन अ माइन शाफ्ट. राजा को मार डाला गया, उसकी फैमिली को बुरी तरह से मार के ख़त्म करके जला दिया गया. मेकिंग अ सोशलिस्ट सोसाइटी. A process of centralized planning was introduced. पूरे देश में सोशलिज्म कैसे फैले. Official assessed how the economy could work and get set target for the 5-year period. On the basis, they made 5-year plans. The government fixed all prices to promote industrial growth during the first 2 5-year plan 1927 to 1932, 1933 to 1958. 55 साल का उन्होंने प्रोग्राम बनाया किस तरह से आगे देश को ले जाना. सेंट्रलाइज प्लानिंग लेड टू द इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ. इससे उनका इकोनॉमी बढ़ने लगी. इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज बाय 100% इन द केस ऑफ ऑयल, कोल एंड स्टील. नो फैक्ट्री सिटीज केम इनटू बीइंग. रसिया वाज अगेन ट्रेन ओवर द इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट and the speed was getting very high and the momentum was so high that its economic was gaining growth day by day. Stalinism and collectivization. This you have to study in next.